fairy wand. I hate using these things. Should have brought my bait caster. Number one. There's like no wind out here. Just, I mean, I guess there's a little breeze, but that little breeze will just, sorry about the sun, that little breeze will just make this kayak move around so much. A paddle, like a foot pedal kayak would be, I see why people get those, because you're fishing instead of working. I mean, the paddle kayak, these kind of kayaks here, it's work. It is. You're trying to keep yourself straight, and I guess it's a little tougher because I'm trying to get the camera where I'm fishing too. You guys can see there, but if I continue to drift, you're not going to be able to see anything. It's tough. Cast it way past that dock, so that way whenever a fish grabs it, he could swim underneath that dock and get all caught up in them, that pole and everything else. I guess it would be a lot easier to fish moving bait, like a crankbait or chatterbait or any kind of moving bait that you're consistently moving. This worm is not ideal. I am baking. And I forgot sunscreen. Why I came to this side of the lake, it's a little more shaded. Just hooked up on the wacky rig. It's been slow. He's barely hooked too. Where, buddy? Looks like he's been caught before. Look at that, he's got a hole right there. Right there. And then I hooked him. Right there. He's been hooked before. It's only the second fish that I caught today. We had some bad storms pretty much all day. So I didn't come out here expecting a whole bunch. And this water is super duper high. It was right up here in these bushes. Actually, he was over there in those bushes. See if there's another one in there. A weighted wacky rig. that guy hit it on the reeling it in. I'd laugh that's the same fish. Man, these wacky rigs, you can go through some worms. Nope, it's not the same one. He don't have a hole in his mouth. Well, I've only got 3 more of these left. Yeah, I was just reeling that in and he hit it. That is not a fish. Thought it was. So I'm sitting here eating some dinner, and Rowdy reminded me I forgot to film an outro. So we caught a few fish. I'm just trying to make some content for you guys, get out, fish, and just make some videos. I enjoy it. I enjoy the editing part. I enjoy making the videos. I didn't like the way that I had that camera set up back there. I won't be doing that again, but I'm just experimenting. You know, this is new to me still. But yeah, I got home and like I said, old Rowdy dog, old Row, he reminded me that I forgot to film an outro. So you guys know how it goes. Remember, you guys got to get outdoors, enjoy what God's blessed us with. That's the real way.